Jennifer from The Good Life, and this is a totally random video, but we are now renting a downstairs house. It's a two-story, we're on the downstairs, and the home that we're renting has a lot of fixer-upper type projects, and I decided to tackle our tub because our tub is disgusting. Oh my gosh. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to end up removing all of the caulking around the tub, and then I'm going to completely clean it up and then re-caulk it. And disclaimer, I am not an expert at all. This is a definite DIY project. So if you want to follow along, stay tuned and I'll show you before and afters, and keep watching. Real quick, I just wanted to show you my progress. There's the side. It was disgusting. I had to take needle nose pliers and pull out the black caulk that was back here. Whoever did the caulking on here decided to put it over the old caulking, so it didn't do its job, basically. It was basically a band-aid covering up what was behind here. So all this black was behind there and here, and I'm right around here now, and I'm just literally taking up all the old caulking. There's two old caulkings, the original caulking that was the white one, and then someone decided to get the clear caulking right here and put it over. It looked nasty, as you can see. It looks absolutely disgusting. So literally I'm just going around, I'm taking my scraper and I'm literally just scraping it off. And I'll be going back after I get all the caulking off and scrubbing it off and making sure I get all this nasty black stuff out from under here before I actually put down the new caulking. But I just wanted to show you what I am dealing with. And there's the corner. You can't tell, but there's clear caulking over the nasty blackish whatever it is. I don't even know what it is. So yeah, it's all around the tub. As you can see, it's pretty disgusting. But that's what I will be doing, and I'll update you with how far I've gotten today. So here's what the tub looks like so far. I've got most of the caulking out. There are a couple of areas, like in that corner, I still need to get. And I'm all the way over here now to this corner, and it's pretty gross. But yeah, I'm working on that corner, and then I'll get the rest right here. And then down the side right here. Yeah, halfway, a little more than halfway done taking most of the caulking off. I will have to wipe it down before I go over it one more time, make sure I get all the corners and everything. But yeah, that's all of the nasty that came out of it. And then here's a pile on the floor of all the gross caulking, so that's fun. Okay, so several scrape downs later, and this is what my tub looks like. So much better. Even without the caulking, I mean, that corner I might go one more time with the scraper. But so far, I have to patch this up because the caulking was attached to the wall for some reason. So that was weird. But yeah, I'm going to go through that corner again one more time. And then I'm going to end up spraying down the tub with some all-purpose cleaner. So I'm going to spray it down with that, make sure it gets nice and clean. And then I'm going to let it sit and let it dry. And then I'll come back to caulk it. So that's what I'm going to do next. Okay, so here's my tub, ready to be caulked. Just wanted to show you what it looked like before. So I removed all the old caulking, scrubbed it really good, and now I'm going to put the new caulking on. Let's see how long it takes me to do that. Alright, here's the finished tub. I just finished caulking it. Sorry about the lighting, it's all dark. corner looks so much better. I'm going to have to clean down there. But the tub itself is done. And I just have to wait for it to cure for 12 hours. And then we'll check it in the morning. Make sure it's completely sealed. Alright, it's been about 13 and a half hours since I put the new caulking down on the tub. And if I touch it, it's completely dry. I ended up doing caulking along here too, just to reinforce it a little bit. And here. It looks so much better than it did before. And I'm glad that I took the time to redo it. Because now I can actually take a bath without feeling gross. And if anybody has any tips on how to get rid of this, I don't know if it's like soap scum or some type of, I'm not sure what it is, maybe it's a stain. But if there's any tips, leave them in the comments below. I'll look for those. Because I would love to actually clean the bottom of this. I'm not quite sure how to do that, so. Watching this video on DIY caulking a tub, which is actually a lot easier than people think. And whenever you have somebody say, hey, I'm gonna redo my tub, you think, oh no, I can't do it. It really is not that hard. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. I have a bunch of little projects that I want to do around this place. Please click that like if you liked this video, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I appreciate all of my viewers, and I'll see you guys next time.